Hello and welcome to E Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Get this, Idonia, Squash, Chronic Law and Javilani to give us a Christmas cheer, Jamaica Garrison Christmas. But don't be fooled by the name, as the 11-track compilation consists of hardcore dancehall songs that, according to the producer, is more geared towards those who want to hear top charting dancehall music for the festive season.
In the inner city Garrison communities, they don't listen to Jingle Bells and Silent Night at Christmas time. They still want to hear the hardcore dancehall hits that they love and that they've been listening to right throughout the year. So we decided to market and package the album for the Christmas season.
The album is produced by Contractor Music in partnership with Top Raf Entertainment and Gamblers Production, and also features some promising upcoming local acts plus international acts. From Nigeria, new artist Rebecca, along with Ghana's top dancehall artist Shatta Wale.
Well, with the success that we had this year with the Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica, the Reggae Collector's Edition album, which was headlined by Shatta Wale from Ghana, we decided to return again with Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale's song on this album, Garrison Christmas, is called Property. It's a high-energy dancehall song, never before released.
The album on pre-order on Amazon debuted at number 4 on Amazon New Releases Reggae chart, which also sees another but different Christmas favorite, Christmas in the Islands by Shaggy, at number 1. Jamaica Garrison Christmas will be released come December 18. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.